Bonjour French chic ladies, it's Marianne. Have you been wondering what chic French women wear? Well, in this video I will show you 10 things chic French women never wear. Hold on to your hats! If you do wear some of these, please let us know in the comments below. I will start my list with complicated, overly accessorized, overly styled outfits. They only serve to show that you have tried too hard. In French chic style, we French women do not want to show that we have tried too hard, even though we may have tried too hard. What do I mean by overly styled and complicated outfits? They look like you are wearing everything from your closet. So many accessories, so many jewelry, handbags, hats, scarf, and this and that. Looks like you've spent an hour touring your closet for bits to wear together. And the opposite is true of chic French women's outfits. Our outfits are fairly pared down. They are lean visually. Always go in front of the mirror and say, is that too much? Is that too much? And we usually remove something. The next one you may find a little bit surprising, and it is outfits that are head to toe obviously expensive. So you may have seen those outfits where from head to toe you're wearing high-end designers, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, Gucci, and you can see at 100 paces. And for us in France, looking expensive is really tacky. It's not the thing done. And to tell you the truth, looking or dressing expensive is not something we do in France. It is not desirable, and it is absolutely the opposite of what we are trying to do. Expensive does not mean stylish, and French chic means stylish. So if you follow French chic, you will never try to look expensive. If you want to know more on that topic, watch my video, French Women Don't Wear Chanel. Our next item on the list is, you have guessed it, ripped jeans. Ripped jeans? No, it is not a French chic at all. I am French, I live in France, and I tell you something, I do not see any person in France, French, wear ripped jeans. And why would you? Why would you spend your hard-earned cash on an item that it is already damaged? It does not even look good. You see your knees, and some of them are even worse. Some have got more holes than actual denim. I kid you not. Ripped jeans should belong in the bins. By the way, I have a free Breton Top masterclass for you. Enroll below. The link is in the description box. Next on the list are wearing all the colors from your closet on your outfit. So looking like a parrot. Please keep in mind the French 3-color rule. Wear no more than 3 colors, and one of these colors should include your accessories. And in these colors, I include neon colors and day-glow colors. In my opinion, these belong on construction workers and high-vis jacket. Next on the list is sportswear, gym wear, yoga wear, athleisure as day wear. And I spoke about this even 10 years ago in my best-selling book, How to Be Chic and Elegant. Yes, my lovely French chic ladies, gym wear should not be worn as day wear. Please let me know if you do this in the comments below. So all these tracksuits and yoga pants and those athleisure belong in the gym every day. Try to upgrade your outfit and not downgrade it. Next on the list that makes us laugh in France is those novelty tops. You know, those that say Paris or J'aime Paris or an Eiffel Tower. These are the kind of tops you may bring back for your nieces and nephews, but you don't have to wear those. Wear something nice. Wear a nice shirt instead, a nice top. You don't have to wear J'aime Paris for you to love Paris. Next on the list are busy florals. Even worse than busy florals is those dresses with puff sleeves and frills everywhere and tied skirts. They look more fitting to the little house on the prairie. In France, we do wear florals, but our florals are pared down and usually in 2 colors, including white. So less is more, ladies, for florals. Next on the list is silly trends. You see silly trends all everywhere. I certainly do when I look online. Or in magazines. I've seen one this morning, for instance, is an item that is actually 2 different items sewn together in the middle. It would make you look silly, and no, just no. And those silly fabrics, for instance, vinyl, perspex, some black crinkly vinyl that make you look like you're wearing a bin bag. Just don't wear those. Next, we have any clothing and lingerie that is described as sexy. Sexy dress, sexy bra, sexy pants, sexy something. I don't know, but it's a no. Especially in the lingerie. When some lingerie pieces are described as sexy, it is anything but. Anything but. And especially in lingerie, anything that is described as sexy is usually anything but. Before I show you the 10th item that chic French women never wear, I would like to thank you for watching. Please like and share my video and please subscribe to my channel if you wish to. Next, head-to-toe trends. A nod to a trend is great and look chic and refreshing, but head-to-toe makes you look more like a fashion victim and does not work usually. An easy way to wear trends is to wear just one piece to refresh your classic outfit. As a matter of fact, what we do, 80% classic, 20% of trendy items. Au revoir.